Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to retouch a photo in a short time about it. This is our sample photo. When the photo is open, we come to the channels. We press on it from the bottom now. It created a layer called alpha. Now we will fill it in gray. We go to edit. You know the trial. Fill elephant here. You can also do it in F5. Here we choose color. Our color is right. B will be 40. The others will be 0. We say OK, like this. With alpha selected, press Ctrl and click once on the alpha layer. UU will search for it. Let's ignore it. Select RGB. We go to RGB. We go back to the layers. We select our brush. We select the places we don't want it to retouch. For example, eyes, eyebrows, run side, lips. It gets a little darker. Then we go to generate pile. So we come to fill. We say generate without writing anything. Now we go into the channels to remove the red. We make alpha passive. That's the way it is. Let's look at other examples. Now it may look very contrived to us here. So to get a more original image, we first click on the channel here. Then Ctrl E and click on it. We have it upside down. We break the places we want to retouch with a brush. Since this is black, we need to make the color here white so that it doesn't have the opposite effect. Let's zoom in a little bit here. You can see it. Carly, the mess, all of it. If this is too much for you, we come to the elephant. We can bring it down a little bit. The regions are a bit more defined. This may also depend on the quality of your photo or your wishes. Let's combine the image in this way. Let's emphasize the eyes a little bit. This is where we come from. Curves the curves. Let's make it a little bright. Then we click on the layer here, the white part. Then we invert Ctrl E again. Again, we select our brush. Let's reduce the size of our brush a little bit because we will only affect the eyes. Now we're going to draw the eyes with a brush like this. If we want, we can say hard light here and make it a little more realistic. Yes, friends, this is our photo. If there are some parts I missed, here is the remove tool, the eraser. We come to the tool. I want to fix it here. Then I click enter. And that's it. And that's it. That's our photo. Let's even do before and after. Like this. Thank you for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like it. Have a good day, everyone.